children. Very happy to see you again. So today's morning class, what we have discussed about recreation then and now. Recreation. So first you must learn what is recreation. Recreation means the activities which we are doing when we are free. So in this topic, what we are going to learn about, we are going to learn about recreation then and now. Then means in those days, what are the recreations done by our parents and done by ourselves. So that is the comparison in between then and now. So let's see children, what are the things done by them. So you know the meaning? Recreation, that is the new word you are going to learn in this topic. Recreation means the activities which we are doing when we are getting free time. Okay children, let's start the class. Okay, first we have to see what are the recreational activities done by our parents. First, picnics. They used to go out. They'll be having their breakfast or lunch, whatever they have, all the eatables they will be carrying with themselves, and they'll be going outside for having some fun. Then outdoor games. What is the speciality of our parents? So they give more importance for physical activities. That's why you can see in nowadays the children, they are most of the time they are spending their time in front of screen. They'll be engaging in watching TV, computer games, etc. So that time is called screen time. So nowadays the screen time is more. But in those days they used to have more physical games than flying kites. So these are the common games that could be seen in those days. Now, what are you doing? You just imagine watching TV. You will be watching TV. Then you have to be engaged with computer games, then playing cricket. So outdoor games will be less. Indoor games will be more. Then in common, what could be seen? Playing games. Both of them are, both the generations, they are playing games. Skipping, watching movies. How they have watched movies? In those days, they used to go to theaters and they'll be watching movies. But now what happened? We used to sit at home and we'll be watching all the films or whatever it may be. That is the difference we could see. Then you just take your content book, children. In the content book, recreation then and now. Ma'am will be explaining that. So what we do in our free time today is different from what we have done in our parents. So that may vary. Then you can see some of the pictures in the content book. Reading, playing indoor games, listening to the radio, then knitting, you know, that sewing, that another name for that. They'll be making some woolen clothes by using that different kind of you might have seen that needle, no, children, for making that woolen clothes, that is called knitting. Then meeting friends, family, and going for picnics. So these are the things done by our parents. Now what are you doing, children? You just see one family. They'll be sitting in front of TV and watching TV. So nowadays people often spend their free time watching TV and films at home, playing video games, or spending time in front of a computer. So the time which we are spending on that gadgets means electronic goods. So that time is called screen time. So screen time will be more nowadays. Then some activities like playing games such as chess, badminton, and listening to the radio are common even today. So these are the common thing we used to do. Clear, children? So here you can see what are the things done by our parents. Then here what are you used to do nowadays. So you can compare yourself then and now. Clear, children? Now take your worksheet, children, page number 16. Sorry, page number 17. Recreation then and now. First question. 2-3 fun activities of the past and the present. So, first column you have to write fun activities of the past. Then second column you have to write fun activities of the present. Then next question, how are fun activities of the present different from similar or to those of the past? How it is similar? Is it the same way we are using or in the different way? Give one reason to support your answer. So you can write any one point to support your answer. If you feel similar means why it is similar. If you feel different means why it is different. So you have to point out the reason. Then next one, do you think that the fun activities of the past were better than those we do nowadays? So, how the fun activities are better than nowadays what we are doing? Give one reason to support your answer. That is also same if your answer is yes, why it is yes. If your answer is wrong, why it became wrong. So, we have compared the recreational activities then and now. Hope you all enjoyed it, children. Thank you.